Former Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain has been sentenced to life imprisonment on Friday in the murder of Intelligence Bureau officer Ankit Sharma during the 2020 Northeast Delhi riots case, marking the first conviction and sentencing arising out of the violence that killed 53 people in February 2020. Hello, this is Ruchi Bhattar. Welcome to the Prince Instant Analysis, and here's a quick roundup of what the case was and what the charges and the sentences. Judge Praveen Singh of the Karkarduma Court refused Delhi Police's plea for sentencing Hussain and 4 others to death. For IB official Ankit Sharma's murder, the court on July 13th pronounced the verdict convicting Mohammad Tahir Hussain, Javed, Anas, Nazim and Qasim for kidnapping with intent to confine and the murder of IB official Ankit Sharma. On July 27, the Delhi police had sought the death sentence for Hussain and 4 others for murdering him. On the other hand, Hussain's counsel had told the court that the death sentence is reserved for the rarest of rare and cannot be given in every murder case. After 26-year-old Ankit Sharma went missing near the Chandbagh Pulia, his body was found the next day dumped in a drain. He was dragged by a violent mob into the house of local councillor Hussain, where he was brutally stabbed 51 times and his body dumped in a nearby drain. Aam Aadmi Party later suspended Tahir Hussain following a first information report against him. Hussain was subsequently arrested by the Delhi Police Crime Branch in March 2020. The court held that the prosecution proved its case beyond reasonable doubt against Hussain under several IPC provisions, including sections of 302 murder, 147 rioting, 148 rioting while armed with a deadly weapon, 365 kidnapping or abduction with intent to wrongfully confine, 153A promoting enmity between different groups, and 188 disobedience to an order promulgated by a public servant, all read with section 149 offence committed in prosecution of common object of an unlawful assembly. The key evidence indicting Hussain was the physical and forensic evidence establishing that Hussain's building, which was E7 Khajuri Khas, served as a primary base for rioters. An inspection by Forensic Science Laboratory team on February 28, 2020 uncovered debris, stones, bricks, and even broken glass bottles scattered in front of and inside the premises. Most damning was the discovery of petrol bombs, acid bombs, and a catapult on the third floor and terrace of the building. Witnesses testified that the mob used these weapons to attack the rival community and their properties, transforming the residence into a strategic location for the riotous assembly. Akash and Bharat are brothers who were near the Chandbagh Pulia when they witnessed Hussain delivering inflammatory speeches claiming Hindus had looted Muslim homes and exhorting the mob to teach them a lesson. Akash even testified to seeing Hussain holding a knife and participating in the assault. Before we leave, a thank you to all our 3 million YouTube subscribers for helping us reach this milestone. Your support keeps us going and motivates us to keep delivering our best journalism every day. If you haven't subscribed yet, join the print community by hitting the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.